Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video we are going to do some gothic lace nails on the gorgeous Abby. So I've already prepped Abby's nail. So I've removed surface shine, pushed the cuticles back and all that shebang. I'm going to do a stiletto gothic nails because stilettos are gothic.
It's because they look the most like claws.
Yes, fierce. I think they look more like weapons of mass destruction.
As we learnt they could be.
I'll stab myself with the
what?
nail. They're pretty sharp then.
They are a bit.
So if you want to see a complete breakdown of a stiletto nail, we have a video for that. We do have a full tutorial. And what I'm going to do is create a black nail that sort of smokes down into clear. So we will use some black acrylic, medium speed liquid, like my random star that's in there from a previous video. Right, so I'm going to start. Oh, I need to prime. Oh my god, I need to dehydrate and prime. Nail prep dehydrator on that natural nail. Let that evaporate. And then we're going to use the Ultra Bond acid primer. I am going to lay down a clear layer of acrylic. Even though I'm going to be working with black, I do want a clear layer, especially on the natural nail. We are going to work to clear at the tip. I'm going to press and pull that to the length. Thin layer of clear on the natural nail. This is going to give better adhesion. Because the black, yes, it will stick, but it'll stick even better with a thin layer of clear. Make sure it's super thin. So I'm going to take a black bead and get my cuticle nice and neat first of all. And we can start to pull that down. Not quite a wet bead. Because it's wet, it will blend down a little bit more smoky, so you'll start to get some transparency. If you wet your brush, you can transfer some of the pigment from the black acrylic down the nail, and it'll be more smoky. Now I'm going to use clear. I'm going to work from halfway down the nail to the free edge first of all. Another bead of clear going directly over the top of the black. We're kind of sandwiching the black between those layers of clear. And this is going to give it the strength and the structure. A little bit thin on the free edge, so I'm just going to add a bead of clear acrylic. I'm going to pinch the nail, make it a little bit slimmer, create a nice C-curve. While that's pinching, I can move on to the thumb and do exactly the same. So I'm just going to take the form off this one, get completely set. And take the form off the thumb. And we're going to file these now, get the side walls nice and straight. So I'm going to file around the cuticle area as well and contour the top surface. And I'll do this on both of those nails. So I'm going to buff the nail now to make it nice and smooth. Same with the thumb. So I'm just wiping over with gel residue wipe-off solution. I love that smoky effect. It looks so cool. So black acrylic paint. This is Polycolour paint. Let's draw inspiration from Abby's outfit and do some nice lace. I'm just going to water this paint down a little bit. And it has these kind of twirly patterns in them. So we're going to do these patterns first of all.
Ryan Little.
You can even work right up onto the black because it will stand out a little bit. So I'm going to lay out those little patterns first. So I've watered down the paint so I can get some nice thin lines with the striping brush. And we're going to do like a fishnet kind of lace over the top of the design. So crossing over the lines to create those diamond shapes. I am going to continue it all the way up the nail. So I'm going to add some little dots on those sections where it crosses over. Just to make it look more realistic. They do not need to be exactly the same size because lace can be stretched, so the lines and things like that will stretch over You know, it could be lace tight or lace bra. And it stretches so it changes shape a little bit. Now, before we top coat these, you want to make sure that all your paint is dry, because if we look at this one, I can see this little dot here. It's still wet. If I put top coat over the top of that, it'll just go down the nail. We don't want that. And these are a little bit wet. But let's come to this first one. And yeah, we're pretty dry. So we can top coat this one. Right, pop me that in. Right, so these two nails that I've got left, I am going to wipe over with just acetone. So I've sculpted those out in clear. I'm wiping over with acetone. I want them to be quite smooth. And then I'm going to get a brand new 80 grit file. Super sharp. And I'm going to take the file and create little demarcations quite randomly on the nail. Do the same on this one. You'll need an 80 grit file to do this. Keep them all sort of going in the same direction. Use a dusting brush to remove the dust. And then...
I refuse to play your Chinese food mind games.
And then...
No! No and then!
And then...
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 No, no and then!
And then... And then...
We're going to take the black metallic. Going to get the cuticle nice and neat, first of all. And pull all the way down. And we'll wait for this to dry. We'll do the same on this one. I like it. It looks cool. It's like you've been attacked by a tiger. Almost. Let me top coat this now. Pop my nose in the lamp. Right, so now I'm going to finish off with some cuticle oil. I have Adam's favourite cuticle oil, which is the peach one, because he loves peach.
I'm going to bin that stuff.
I love it. I love it. Smell your hand in a minute. It's so nice. Yes, it's peach scented. It's so nice. Adam has a fear of peach.
It's not a fear.
Wow.
I
Have a smell.
just don't like it.
Oh, that's lovely.
Mm.
Ooh, I like that.
It's really nice, isn't it?
And you hate peaches.
Oh,
You try swallowing some peach fabric conditioner. See what happens.
by
I
mistake.
mean, maybe you shouldn't do that.
I thought it was like orange juice.
The light wasn't on.
And it was a very similar bottle.
I was going to say, how does that situation come about?
Yeah, how did that even happen? Oh, they look lovely. Look at them. And if you want to know how we did this bad boy, it'll be linked below. You can watch that next. It's beautiful now. There you are. Do you like them?
I love them.
We need many pictures of you, like,
Of course.
doing your thing. Oh, yeah. Oh, they look amazing. Put my face again like that. They look amazing. Oh, my God. They were made for you. Oh, yes, they were. There you are, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already and would love notifications, please subscribe and press the notification bell. But we're going to say bye now.
So bye-bye. Bye.
Right, quiet. You just...
Told you, you'll be in the kennel.